In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to play PlayStation 1 games on Android. The first thing you want to do is to create a folder inside of your phone or tablet download folder called PS1 or PlayStation 1. Inside of this folder, you want to put in two things. The first thing is your PlayStation 1 BIOS file. This BIOS file is a copy of the operating system which runs on your PlayStation 1 console, and the emulator that we're going to be using is going to use this BIOS file to allow you to play the PlayStation 1 game. Now, to get this BIOS file on your device, you can extract it out of your PlayStation 1 console which you own. However, that's a little bit more complicated. An easier way to do it would be to find a download online. However, I'm not going to be showing you from where you can get it in this video. And once you've downloaded the BIOS file, just make sure that it looks like this. It's going to be a .bin file. And once you have the BIOS file ready, the next thing that you need is to prepare the ROM files of the game that you want to play. You can extract the ROM files from a game which you already own. However, you can also find downloads online. I'm not going to be showing you which websites you can download them from. Just make sure that you have your ROM files ready, and it's going to look something like this. You're going to have a .bin file as well as a .q file. The next thing that we're going to be doing is to install our PlayStation emulator. The best PS1 emulator on Android is by far an emulator called Duckstation. I tested many games using this emulator and they all ran perfectly, and it's also free to download. So just make sure that you install it from the Google Play Store, and here you can just click on play. The emulator is going to ask you to access files on your device. Click on allow. Over here, if you're not going to be using any external controllers, you can just click on no. Next, you want to select the menu on the top left and then select import BIOS. Over here, make sure that you navigate to the PS1 folder which we created in our first step, and then select the PS1 BIOS file. It's going to give you a message that the BIOS file has been imported, so just click on OK. Next up, we're going to be adding the ROM files of the PS1 game that we're going to be playing. Over here, select Add Game Directory. And once again, you want to make sure that you go to the PS1 folder which we created in our first step. I'm going to be showing you here how to navigate to that directory in case it's not already open. Click on the menu icon on the top left. Click on your device's name, and then click on the folder which contains your PS1 folder. For me, this is going to be my downloads folder. And then over here, select the PS1 folder. And finally, click on allow access to PS1 and then click on allow again. And as you can see, the games which you had in the PS1 folder are going to automatically be added to this list. To start a game, all you have to do is just tap on it and your game is going to automatically launch. You have all of the controls that you need on your phone or tablet screen. You can connect a controller to your phone if you want to use a controller, but just to keep things simple for now, I'm not going to be showing you how to do that in this tutorial.
Okay, rolling.
Oh, it's been peaceful here in the Five Worlds.
So guys, I really hope that you found this video helpful. If you're still struggling to get your game to work, make sure that you have the correct PS1 BIOS file, and also make sure that you have the correct ROM files downloaded. If you still need help, leave a comment down below and I'll try my best to get back to everyone. Apart from that, make sure to give the video a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe as well for more retro content like this, and I'll see you all next time.